Hi everyone, Jen here with Eide Bailly Technology Consulting, and today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on using the global search in NetSuite. So there are quite a few handy prefixes. So here's our list here. You can search for vendor bills, customers, employees, opportunities, sales orders, vendors, and the like. So I'm just going to run through a couple of these so you can see it in action. So first one is BI bill. It's coming up with both kind of the number that I put in plus the number it's given for bills. Invoice 75 comes up with invoice 75. CU for customer. Search for a couple of those. There's also a wildcard. It doesn't come up with anything, but when we put in the percent sign, we get the beta max. So it's kind of looking for max being contained in anything. There's also the underscore wildcard, so underscore X. We're finding, anywhere where it could be, n blank X at the beginning of a word. You can combine a couple of the wildcards, and so now we have MAX or MEX and contain kind of anywhere in client's name. So those are our two kind of wildcards. We can use or, so as we know, a lot of companies are corp or they could be Inc. So if you use or, obviously you would get corp or Inc. If you want to search for any kind of entity or record that might be inactive, you could use the plus sign. So I've created an inactive customer, but we can't see it unless we use the plus sign at the end. There's a way to automatically have a client or a record. There's only one record in your search results come up in edit mode. So here I just did lowercase cu :ABC and got ABC, but not in the edit mode. So I capitalized the C, my global search, and now I'm editing the client. If you want to open up a new window, you'll just do the colon twice. And when you click enter, we have a new window. So here I'll show you guys kind of the list again. Just have you guys kind of look at it, review it again. Those are all of the shortcuts. You can use 2 letters or 3 letters. Sometimes it makes sense to type one more letter, like EXP for expense report or INV for invoice. But you can use either or even longer, like for sales order. A couple of other shortcuts that aren't, really record related are PA for pages. So if you want to get to where you approve journal entries, but you don't want to go through, transactions, management, or financial and get to that location in the menu, you can type PA colon and, at least a portion of what page you would be looking for. So here we have all of the pages of where you can approve any transaction type. PA also is for reports. So if you're looking for a saved report or even a standard report, the PA colon works also for reports. And then for searches, it's just SE, and you get kind of all of your saved searches. If you are, an administrator or kind of have access to searches in kind of a non-published way. You won't always see every search in the global search, so just keep that in mind. Some of the private searches that you're able to see as an admin, I'm in the full access mode, but as an admin, you wouldn't necessarily see in the global search, so you would still have to go to your list of saved searches. One thing to keep in mind, if you've renamed your records, so we've been typing CU for customer, but if you happen to change it to client, you would then start typing in CL. So we were doing CU ABC, so now we're getting no results found. So you'd want to do CL for client ABC. And those are our tips for maximizing the use of the global search function in NetSuite. As always, if you have any questions, our team is here to help. Just click on the link below to get in touch with us. Thanks.